Children, welcome to the maths class. Okay children, in the last class we have finished lesson number 3 and today we are going to start lesson number 4. So what is lesson number 4? Lesson number 4 is zero. See, Z-E-R-O, zero. See here, we are going to start lesson number 4, that is 0. Okay children, so what is there? So where we will get the 0 number? Where? See, we'll start writing numbers. See, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then last is 0. So, if we write the back numbers, we are going to get 0 here. If we write from the first, see, first we have to start with the number 0. Then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. See, here is a 0. If you write, see, next numbers, after numbers, then 0 is going to come at the first. If we write back numbers, see, 0 is at the last. Okay children, did you all got it? So what is there in this chapter? Look at the picture. So what is there in the picture? Oh, monkeys are there in the picture. And what they are asking, count the number of monkeys dazzling from the wire. See, they are asking how many monkeys are dazzling from the wire. So shall us count how many monkeys are there? Okay, count 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So number of monkeys are 4. See, they have written already in the box here. So in the next picture, so how many monkeys are dazzling here? Okay, count children, count along with me. Start counting. 1, 2, 3. How many monkeys are there? 3. See here, 3. See, 4, 3. Back numbers. Okay. Next here. Here how many monkeys are there here? 1, 2. How many monkeys children? 2. See here. 2 monkeys are dazzling from the wire. And here, how many? Only 1 monkey is dazzling. See here? 1. See here children. Here how many monkeys are dazzling on the tree? Here there is any monkey dazzling? Yes children, you can see any monkeys here? No monkeys are dazzling from the wire to the tree. Okay. So here it is 0. So see, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0. There are no monkeys dazzling from the wire. So number of monkeys dazzling from the wire is 0. See children, 0. Underline this 0. Learn this spelling 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. Okay. We'll move to the next page. Same children, same. In the same way, they are asking how many children are playing with skipping rope in each picture. See, how many children? We have to count here how many children are skipping. See, how many children are there? Shall we count? 1. Count along with me. 2 and then 3. See, how many girls are there here? How many children? 3. So, 3. Next. How many children here? They are playing the skipping rope here. 1, 2. See here. 2. And here, can you see any girls playing skipping here? Can you see children? Any children or any girl is playing skipping here? No one is skipping. So the number of children skipping the rope is 0. See, 0. See here, no one is skipping. So the number of children skipping the rope is 0. Okay, here next, what is there here? How many fruits are there in each basket? See, in each basket they asked us to count how many fruits are there. Okay, which fruit is this? This is an apple. Okay. Okay, which letter? Apple. A for apple. Okay, shall us count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many apples are there here? 5. See, 5. Next, shall us count how many apples are there here? 1 and 2. How many apples, children? 2 apples. And here you see, look at this basket. How many apples are there in this basket? Is there any apple in this basket? No, there is no apple in this basket. So, the answer is 0. No apple, so 0. There are no fruit in the basket. So, number of fruits in the basket is 0. Okay, children? See, there is no 1, there is nothing. These terms are represented by 0. 0 is written as in this way. 0. Okay? Next here. See, they are asked to count. There are no monkeys dazzling from the wire. So, number of monkeys dazzling from the wire is 0. So, write in the bracket here 0. There are no fruits in the basket. See, is there any fruit in the basket? No. So, the number of fruits in the basket is 1. 2. There is any fruit, children? No. So, number of fruits in the basket is 0. And here they are asked, there are no chocolates in the jar. So, number of chocolates in the jar is 0. So, write in the circle here 0. Is there any flower here for this? No flowers. So, there are no flowers in the plant. So, the number of flowers in the plant is 0. Write here 0. How to write 0? Like this, oval shape. Okay, children? So, here